Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 24, and we're diving into the world of APIs. In this video, we'll cover understanding APIs and their importance, making HTTP requests with Python, and processing API responses to extract data. Ready to unlock the power of APIs? Let's get started. So, what exactly is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's a set of rules and definitions that allow different software applications to communicate with each other. APIs are incredibly important because they enable integration between different services. For example, weather apps use APIs to get weather data, social media apps use APIs to interact with other platforms, and e-commerce sites use APIs for payment processing. In short, APIs are like bridges that connect different systems, making it easier to share and retrieve data. To interact with an API, we need to make HTTP requests. We can do this using the requests library, which we've already used for web scraping. Here's how you can make a simple HTTP GET request to an API. In this example, we use requests.get to fetch data from the API and response.json to parse the response as JSON. You can also add headers and parameters to your requests. In this example, we include headers for authorization and content type, and parameters to specify the data we want to retrieve. After making a request and receiving a response, the next step is to process the response and extract the data you need. Here's how you can extract specific data from an API response. In this example, we extract the name, age, and city fields from the JSON response and print them. You can also handle errors and check the status of your requests. A status code of 200 indicates that the request was successful. If the request fails, you can handle the error appropriately. And there you have it, folks, an introduction to APIs with Python. You've learned the basics of APIs, how to make HTTP requests, and how to process and extract data from API responses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 25. Keep coding and happy API exploring.